Welcome back to another video. In this video we will solve LeetCode medium problem, number of laser beams in a bank. In this problem we have to determine the total number of connections that are formed between active lasers in different rows. To solve this problem we will simply multiply the number of active lasers with one row with the number of active lasers in the next row. So for that, let's define a variable which is total beams, and its initial value will be 0. We will also define another variable. We will create the variable with name, let's say previous active lasers, and its value will be 0 as well. Now we will iterate each row one by one. That is, for row in bank 2D array, you will calculate the number of ones present inside the current row. For that we will create a separate function, but we can also use a Python string package to get the count. For that, let's say we have current active lasers, and we say get active lasers, and we will pass the current row. Then we will check if the number of current active lasers is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater, then and only then we will compute the result. How will we calculate the result? We will simply multiply the beams present in the previous row and the current row. Total beams is plus is equal to previous active lasers into current active lasers. This will be total beams, and we will update the previous active lasers with the current active lasers. And we will return the result, that is total beams. Now we will define our custom method, def get active lasers self, and then will be a say row which will be a list of this will be a simple string, and we will return an integer value. This count will be 0 initially, and for a laser in row, if laser is active, increment the count by 1, then return count. Let's check the test cases. We have to use self here. What's happening? Okay, let me run the test cases again. Say total beam 0 for row and row. Okay, what is the issue here? Let us submit the solution. Our solution has been accepted, and the time complexity for our solution is big O of n square, because we are iterating over the array in m cross n manner, and the space complexity will be constant, that is big of 1.